All right, so this is the home page for the website. On first glance, what are some things that most draw your attention?
Well, the picture and the video.
All right. Now, what are you most inclined to do just from seeing the home page right now?
Watch that video.
All
It's
right.
very eye-captivating.
All right, then. Now, say you want to find the hotel section to try to find a hotel. Which tab are you most inclined to click on?
Reviews.
All right. Now, from here, what is it that you would do next?
Well, if I was looking for hotels, I'd click home.
All right. So now that we're back at the home page, what is your next step in your quest to find the hotel section?
My next step would probably be to click on About.
All right.
From here, I'd probably go with Sitemap.
All right. Now, due to technical difficulties, I don't have that finished exactly. So we just have sort of a placeholder page for just imagine if the sitemap were here.
Okay.
Now, where would you go next?
Well, it depends on what the sitemap would hold. If there's a map that, like Google Maps or something like that, where you can look up hotels or things like that, I'd probably search through that. If it was just a map that had like special events or something that were going on, I'd go back to the homepage.
All right. Ideally, we would have links to all the other sections of the website, but again, because of issues, it's not complete just yet. So we'll take the roundabout way and we'll go back to the home page. So now that we're back on the home page, where would you go to try to find the hotels?
Probably click under Travel.
All right. And now from that drop-down menu, what are you most likely to click?
Hotels.
All right. All right, so now we have the hotels page here. We have links to the other services that are in control of the actual hotels. Despite us missing features, we will try to at least sort of find ways to navigate to the other sections of the website. So, where would you most likely go to try to find advice on budgeting?
On budgeting, probably go under Tips.
All right. So now this is what the drop-down menu would hold.
Then I'd click on the budget.
All right. So because of technical difficulties again, we just have to go back to the placeholder page. But ideally, this is where the content would be. Now, to sort of finish up, say we want to go back to the home page to start the process over, or maybe get a fresh start for looking for something else. What would you do to try to go back to the home page?
Well, I'd most likely click one of the buttons, and since I've noticed that the buttons had a feature on there where you could click home, gonna take you to the homepage, I'd go to one of these 4 buttons and I'd click on the homepage, the home button to bring me back to the homepage.
All right. So, because you planned on going to the tips page, we will put down our hypothetical button and we will use the home button and return to the home page of the website. And now, just sort of some questions after sort of the practice navigation for the website. What are features do you think could be improved on in the future?
Well, something I would think that could be improved is under your drop down buttons, instead of having hotel under travel, and have that under reviews. Because a lot of times when people look for hotels, they look more for what the reviews of a hotel would be and stuff. And I feel like travel would be more for like transportation or a destination, or like maybe getting tickets for like travel or finding things that deal with traveling. Other than that, probably instead of having just a white background, I'd do some special features to just kind of brighten up the page. Add like some colors, maybe some effects, or like I know some websites do it where they'll have like a picture of an ocean in the background that kind of goes with the mood of the day, like the day. So if it's midday, the background's sunny. If it's nighttime, it's dark. Just something like that to give the pages more of a like bam, here we are kind of look.
All right.
So
The actual web pages do feature an image that is, the image itself is sort of a nice back picture of a lounge chair, and it has a good image of a little bit of sand and a nice ocean view. So we do have some image there, but technical difficulties, again, have sort of limited what I could provide for this test.
well, that'd be good. I mean, considering it's the vacation hub, having some sort of image like that, uh, it's fitting with the title, and it'd be a very good, captivating image. So,
All right. Any final closing thoughts before concluding the test?
maybe making those buttons a little bit bigger. Just because, I mean, they're kind of small and in the corner. Like, if it was me, I would spread them out across the top and make them at least twice the size of what they are, just to kind of give them, like, hey, here we are. But other than that, it's a really good site. I mean, for a vacation hub, you got, from what I can see in the drop down buttons and stuff, you got everything you need to, for somebody who wants to go on a vacation to look for. So overall, it's a pretty good website.
All right. Thank you for your participation.
No problem.
And this has been the website test for web design.